What's going on, internet? Mike and Via Trading back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to go through an HE department store handbags and accessory lots. Now these are fully manifested and in customer return condition. Typically you can expect to find brands such as Nine West, Guess, Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein and more, as well as a bunch of private label brands. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, hope that gives you a better understanding of what you can find in these lots. Make sure to check them out on our website, viatrading.com. The manifest will be on our load center. Click a button wherever it is to subscribe. Leave questions, comments below. See you next time.